All right, so now I'm going to walk you through the actual organization steps. And so let's just take a look at this desk. As you have seen, as you see, I have cleaned the desk. As you see, I have cleaned everything off the desk except for the laptop and the printer. And the reason why you want to clean everything off the desk is because you really want to start with a clean slate. And I also find that it's very effective in terms of what they actually want to have on the desk. And that will help you make the decisions of what to keep and what to throw away or what to store elsewhere. It will definitely help you make those decisions later on. And the reason why we're leaving the equipment up on the desktop is because where your laptop needs to be positioned and where your equipment needs to be positioned really are limited to where the position of the outlets are and also where you would actually be using the item. For example, the laptop will obviously have to be in the center just for an easy usage. And the printer, you want to think about how you're retrieving the papers and how you're retrieving the documents that are being printed and how are you loading the paper. And for a right-handed person, this is a more ideal position, and also since it's a bulky equipment, you really want to just keep it more in the corner so it leaves you more immediate workspace.